可能是吧？哎，像对平了一样，你看，好了，还是我的眼睛有问题？你调一调吧，你看看你能调不调？调点，再低一点点。 Hello, hello, test. Hello. Yeah, hi. We see some friends is entering their live already. So before we start at 1:45, can you share this video to your stock friend? Thanks for sharing. I already put the words in their comment, so you can just copy and paste and forward to your friend. Thank you very much. And you can also prepare your shares in advance. Later on, we will also diagnosis your share, no matter US share and the Malaysia shares. Thanks, and let's share it now. Thanks. Hello. Hello, test. Hello. Yes, hi. I guess you can hear my voice already. Okay. Hello, dear Homely members and investors. Yeah, this is MG from Homely Chat, and we have our new friends, Vicky here.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so very happy to see you today in this special day and happy Merdeka day, right? Happy holiday. So I guess every one of you also have enjoying your happy hours with your family, right? And now we are trying to share homeless happy hour with you today, because you know that homely also got big promotion today, right? And the surprise is actually you have been already seen in the screen just now, because Homely Survey tomorrow will have price up. So many of you still can enjoy this original price before tomorrow. So this is very good hour for you. So if you have been watching Homely's course and have intent to join as Homely member, today is the best time for you, right? Okay. At the same time, today we also diagnosis shares for you. Okay, I with Vicky together. I will diagnosis the shares for you, and he will also do some support for me, because today our live, okay, I will open around 1 hour and a half for all of you can diagnosis any shares, okay, US and Malaysia are more focused, and then can how to say diagnosis for you, and use this software, and you can ask any question about this software. Okay, we will also do this Q&A for you. Okay, so this is today's live, and as you've seen, okay, as you've seen in our topic today, so here's the live to answer all of your questions about the homeless software. And then if you also want to diagnosis your share, no problem. Just leave in the comment. Okay, we've also put the stock diagnosis rules in the comment area. You can just leave your entry price and your share code number and your trading period below the comment. Okay, below the comment, and we can diagnosis. And at the same time, you can also see the details of the homeless software, right? Okay, so let me share our chat for you today. Let me share the chat for you. Of course, this video is purely and this is a weekend version of the diagnosis and also the happy hour. And this video is purely for sharing, right? So for study and discussion. So any direct or indirect loss or suffered by any person as a result of reliance on this video shall not be responsible. Okay, so as I've seen, you can put any questions here. I can check for you because I've already received the message from you in my WhatsApp. At the same time, yeah. Okay, let me check for you. I can see few platform now. So no matter in YouTube or in Facebook, so both of you can leave the message. Okay, both of you can leave the message. Yeah, you can leave the message about your questions about the homeless software, and you can also ask to diagnosis your share. No problem, nah? Yeah, we have seen many friends here. We have Charlie, number one, and Law. Okay, Law JY, and Aristak. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. And Dan, Miss Dan, I let teacher CC contact you. Yeah, we also diagnosis your share because you want to do this micro one-to-one coaching. So I arranged for you already. Yeah. And also, Diaries, I know who you are now. Okay. Hi, everyone. Okay, so we can start with the diagnosis, no problem. But okay, yeah, happy holiday, Susan. I received a message from you. Okay. And I don't know if you also attend the class yesterday night, yesterday afternoon. Okay, we have shared some market informs with you yesterday. Okay, hold on. Cannot open here. Yes, we also have for Mr. Dan here, Mr. Dan Chengguan. Yeah, we also have for Christy, have Christy Code here. So this time you can hear my voice already, yeah. Because last 2 times always get hand here. Okay, no problem. We can switch to our software now. Before we diagnosis, we can also take a look about the whole chart of the index, no problem. Oh, 它是这样子的。Okay, here's the KLCI. We can take a look about the US dollars, US market, no problem. Sorry. Yes, if you have any question, you can leave in the comment about this software. 你要是想说也可以说，或者怎么弄，没事就来就行。Okay, we can see this Dow Jones. The Dow Jones are still very strong here, right? It's very strong here. And before we have been checked this index, this Dow Jones, and have been already break out the previous high already for a long time already, and also their funds, the profitable effect also very strong, keep increasing till 50. Now reached to 50.7% already, right? Before a little bit correction here, but still stands above 40%. So you see quite strong. And the U.S. market have got the new federal from federal they got new strategy, right? The average inflation, the new policy. So means that this policy is very good for the stock market. In the next 5 to 7 years, the federal will not increase the interest rate. Okay, and so you can see many U.S. shares have increased a lot, especially the growth company, right, in NASDAQ. Also keep hitting new high, hitting previous new high last Friday. Last Friday, you see, is 73%. The profitable effect is 73%. How many of you also trade the US? Can you see my screen? Okay, how about now? I've been sharing. Okay, I've been sharing here. And you can see, so this is the one. Yeah. Okay, still in disclaimer, cannot see my screen. So far, okay, okay, no problem. We can take a look about this NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ. How many of you also trade US shares? US shares, and you can also media shares you want to diagnosis in the US market, no problem. And also, actually, Homely software not only have this Malaysia market, but also have US one, right? US market, Hong Kong market, and the Singapore market, right? Singapore market. And if you also trade other market, you can consult more details about this different market subscription. The fee is different. The subscription fee is different. And then we can take a look about the KLCI. KLCI not so good. So this is the chart of the KLCI. And before we have been draw the lines. I trust you still remember. So Friday already break down this one, but we need another 2 days to confirm. So this is one thing. The other thing we also need to be careful is that this one, right? This box also have been break down a few days ago, 3 days ago. So already confirmed that this box have been break down already. So this is another support. So last Friday also break down with less profitable effect here, right? So means the whole market, the profitable effect of the whole market already decreased. Many people before maybe for example make 200%, but now maybe only 100% or less percent, right? Less percent profit. But so far no retailer, means that you still didn't lose money. Nobody lose money. Just compared to before, you don't have so much compared to before the profit. Okay, the profit. So we need another 2 days to confirm if it's a real breakdown of this uptrend line. So the recent, the close resistance is this half price of this negative line, okay? Of this negative line. If my mouse put it here, the price is around 1541. Okay, 1541 is the nearest resistance. And then you can, after, if next Monday, if tomorrow, if Tuesday and Wednesday can standing above, at least standing above this price, then for short term should be okay, right? But better it can break up the uptrend line, okay? Because we know that if US have a good policy for the market before the pandemic become better, right? So actually it will also influence to other countries. So in KL, in Malaysia, the PM also announced the policy, the new policies about to extend the IMCO, right? IMCO. So it's also good for the market, right? It's also good for market.
Hi, I'm Vicky. So semalam kan Perdana Menteri kita kan sudah cakap RMCO dia akan extend kepada 31 hari bulan 31 hari bulan 12. So yang ni juga akan membantu kita punya market. Sekarang pun nak tengok kita punya KLCI dia punya trend bagaimana jalan. Dia mungkin akan keluar daripada support ni. Kan tadi cakap soal jatuh. So ada apa-apa boleh WhatsApp ke nombor dekat komen sana untuk tanya kita. Thank you.
Okay, so recently the sector rotation also become faster, so should be careful, especially the shares you have been already made profit before. For example, the healthcare, right? The healthcare, we know that is in correction now. We can show you KLH healthcare. before we use this rainbow, to check how deep of this correction, or is it a normal correction, or is it a top area. So after we check this healthcare sector, we can see that the trend is still okay with this rainbow. It's still standing above this yellow line, right? Yellow line is the medium short term for about 2 to 3 months. So last time on in June, correction it just gets support by this yellow lines. So later on fly again, but this time also reached this yellow line, didn't break down. Okay, but the point is that so far is we can see a lower low already, lower high already. So means that actually become weak compared to last correction. Last time after correction, another time to break out the previous high to go to the uptrend, but this time it didn't break out previous high, so it's a lower high. It means momentum become weak, right? Momentum become weak. So short-term investor must be careful. You must take your profit of this healthcare share. A lot of shares have been already appeared their sell points. And then this is the banker tips. We use the funds to check, to double confirm whether the trend is for short-term correction or for long-term one, right? So far the capital percentage, okay, the big bankers is 67%. When we talk about this one, okay, we need to be careful. We need to know this one first. So I can show you the introduction of this bankers, introduction of this indicator. So this the red one, we can just take a look here. Yeah, this is the one. So when you see because the capital is very important for us to diagnosis together, right? The red one, the red tips, we divide the capital in 3 different type. They are big institutional funds, we call it the bankers, right? And then we also have the speculator funds, is represent the hot money. So the yellow chips represent the hot money, and then the green retailers, people who lose money. So have different color chips to represent here. So if we use the animal to be like, okay, it's like the lion as they are bankers, lion is like bankers, and the speculator is like wolf, very fast, right? Very fast in the market, can make money, small money, but the funds is comparatively small, cannot push up the price. So basically they make small profit. And then their retailer one is their goat, is very gentle, very gentle in the market, and easy to be trapped by other 2 rows, right? So be careful. You need help. You need someone to protect you. So the best thing for us to do is that generally we'll just follow the bankers. Okay, just follow the bankers. And then so we can take a look about their healthcare. Like these are the institutional funds. So far is still controlled, but a little bit decrease. All right, a little bit decrease here. So if you have their healthcare share, you can also put in the comment. We can diagnose this for you. But before you put, we can also start to diagnosis, because have some members, have some investors already put the shares here. And we can check the from who hold on, need to check. Yeah, got investor ask us, okay, got counter recommend from Bo Chi Liang. Okay, so homely actually don't don't have we are not recommend you tipsy. We more focus on this this knowledge teaching, and then after giving you the method, Homely have the technical filter system. Okay, technical filter system can help you to diagnosis. How to say? Help you filter good shares. This is technical filter system. For example, we can use the Bursa Malaysia. We use the Bursa Malaysia, and we can see. For example, we just choose the strong shares. Okay, choose the strong shares in the local market. So how to choose? We can just use these banker chips, this MCD banker chips. For example, more than 75%. When the banker chips more than 50% means the bankers already control the share. But if it reaches to 75%, means it starts to accelerate the shares. So we can just go to the technical filter system. We can just choose the banker chips more than 75%. You put this one method, one condition, and then you click filter. So all the shares will be come out. So actually, you no need to tipsy. Once you know the method, no matter which marker, then you always have chance. Okay, you have always have good share. Okay, so I can take to some of you can have a look about these shares with the bankers more than 75%. So number one is the Super Connect, right? Super Connect. You see the banker chips so far here is 92%. Okay, 92%. You can take a look about here. Okay, this is the value of their banker chips. So far is how much? 92%, more than 75%. It's quite safe. It's quite safe. So you see, right? Every time small correction, then increase higher, and the small correction and increase more, drop less and increase more. So this is a very strong share, very strong share. You don't need to recommendation. So after you know that bankers more than 75% is acceleration area, then you can trade, right? You can filter. So next one we can see a few more. This is a breed. So you can check here. This is the shares number, the code number, because some investors tell me that they don't know what shares I'm talking about. So here you can check the code number. You can check the shares name. Okay, next one. This is a Palo. Okay, but more important from this share number is their pattern. Once you know their strong shares pattern, and then you get the gravity software, you can filter because you have knowledge and you have the tool. Then you can independent on yourself to make money, right? To make money. So here also very strong. Lova, right? Lova, and this is a put warrant, and this is a MMAG bankers also fully controlled. OpenSys short-term correction, but long-term still fully controlled by the bankers, right? This is a MSCM, also very strong. We also have members have this one few times already, actually few times already. They do long-term. This is a put warrant, and this is a Cerso. And this is Astion, right? So many shares also very strong with the bankers. So you see so many good shares. Asia Pole, and here is Focus Dynamics, right? Focus Dynamics. So many. Okay. So you don't need the tipsy here, right? Because you already know their method, how to choose the strong share. If we change to Malaysia to US market also, for example, we can choose this for example maybe Nasdaq. Okay, for example Nasdaq company, a Nasdaq market, and then we go to this Nasdaq market. You have the same method. We only use the MCD more than 75%, and then we click filter. So you will see many Nasdaq shares, technology shares in US market. You can just take a look, right? You can just take a look. So we can wait for a while to see how many of them. Yeah, I will diagnosis your share. You can just put there. Okay, before we filtering them all, I will show you the way how to diagnosis your share again. So you can just share your send your share code number, entry price, and the investment period, your trading periods to 011 1652792. Can just WhatsApp your share code number and the entry price and your trading periods to 011 1652792. Okay, to diagnosis the share. But during the live, you can just put your shares. Okay, this form below the comment. Okay, below the video in the comment, no problem. Okay, now we take a look about the okay, so many. You see, the stock market, so many shares with the bankers more than 75%. The number one is Apple. Number one is Apple, and then we also have Atlas Air Worldwide, and we also have Beyond. Okay, so many. And of course, if you have so many choices, you can do the field optimize of the of this how to say of these results. Right, later on I will share you. So totally, let's see how many of them. But we know that there are around 3,000 shares in the Nasdaq market, right? Around 3,000 market, 3,000 shares. There are totally 466 shares have shares with the bankers more than 75%. So you know it's very strong market, right? Strong market. So we can take a look a little bit. Number one is the Apple, right? Number one is Apple. So still very strong, right? Still very strong. And we can see the bankers also. Sorry. Yes, so bankers very fully control, right? Fully control. Slightly correction here, but the trend is still very okay. The trend is still very strong. We take the next one. This is a Atlas Air Worldwide holding. But that was correction, right? Correction. But the whole trend is still very strong, right? So you see, filtering is very important. So, but it's not the way you get into tipsy. Is you know what kind of the share is strong. Only the shares with the institutional funds inside the strong share, right? So after you know this and you combine with the homely software, you use the technical filter system and you can filter. So you rely nobody, you rely your own self. Okay, just need to take the training class in homely and then use the software. You can find the strong share. Okay, have many. This is a clearance. It's just okay, just to start. Not for a long time. If you think Apple for a long time already, you want kind of low shares in US market. This one also very good. Next one, this is a Adobe system. Adobe system is number one in 2018. It's quite strong shares. So far, it's still strong because people always ask, is it too high to enter? What if I chasing high? So no worry, if you have the software, you can see as long as the bankers sustain, just remains, you don't need to worry because they will protect you. Once they will exit, you will also find it. For example, here it decreased, you can also exit by following the bankers. So the important thing is that how you can track the movement of the bankers here, right? So this is and then next one, this is also just startup share. Okay, and the next one, this is a audio eye, also very strong. So many strong share. So even you don't know much fundamental of the US market, you still have the way, you still know what kind of them, what shares is strong, right? So many choice for you. Okay, if you think 466 shares is too much for you, we can do optimize. For example, we choose the share with the bankers more than 75 at the first day. Okay, so means it starts accelerated by the bankers. Okay, and we click further to see how many of them the bankers more than 75% at the first day. So this is a more strict condition, right? Condition, and then you will see only 70%, only 70 shares of these 466 shares with the bankers more than 75% at the first day. So it means with more momentum, higher momentum to increase, right? So this is the first one, and this is also very good one, right? So this one also, right? Very more than 75 at the first time means that before the bankers less than 75%, but now have the bankers more than 75%. So you see, the things that you have this method and this software, very important. Okay, see this one, first day more than 75% means the first day of the bankers starts to accelerate the share. So quite strong, right? Quite strong. But if you don't have the software, I don't recommend you buy now because you don't know when to buy. You don't know when to buy. Homely software also have this buy and sell point indicator for you. For example, red to green, okay, it's the buy point. But you see, okay, today no buy point. Actually, you can find in the mini chart. Mini chart we have buy point. Later on, we'll share with you. So you see this one also more than 75% at the first day booking holding. So many, so many. Okay, so totally only 70%, 70 shares. Now easier for you to choose. Okay, so this is the filtering. Is my answering for Mr. Bong Chin Liang. Okay, and what I want to say, if you know the how to say, if you know the method easier for you to trade, as a homely service offered here, you can see homely will give you lifetime training course, so that you know how to say, how to rebuild yourself. Okay, yeah, I show you here lah, show you here. Yeah, so maybe yeah, Vicky, you can introduce about this package, about the service.
Hello everyone. We have the half-year package. You can see here. You can use this package for 6 months and 1,280 per year data fee if you want to continue. And now the package is 5,278 and 80 cents. And you can see that we will have the latest version of the homely software of Malaysia market, different level class coaching and lifetime training classes for the software usage and the technical analysis course, free installation for all the member and upgrade. Then we also free you the one month of the mobile version that worth 215. We have another package is lifetime package. Is 12,509. For the lifetime package, you no need to pay any data fee to the homely software. And we have same thing with the half year package, but different is the more we have give you free for the 12 month of the mobile version. The value is 2,980. So who have interest, please contact this number.
Yes, thank you, Vicky. Yeah, this is a very important thing, right? Different level class, level class coaching, lifetime training course. So you don't worry that you don't know how to use the software. We will teach you with the one-to-one coaching and these lifetime courses. This is also special features of the homely compared to other software, right? Compared to other software. So for example, some of the software don't have the training course, only one software. It's very hard for you to know how to use it, right? Because given this offer this service, this class service, this coaching service, it really takes time, and also it's very challenging the ability of their team, right? But in homely have 22 years already all around the world. So we have totally in our company have around few hundred teachers, few hundred lecturers have teaching and coaching experience in homely for more than 10 years. Okay, more than 10 years, few hundred teachers here. So we can offer this service for you. In Malaysia, we also have 10 more teachers. Okay, we also have 10 more teachers have trading and coaching experience in the market for more than 10 years. Okay, more than 10 years. So that is also our advantage, and we also trust can help you master this method and then teach you how to use the software. Okay, and some other company maybe have given their training courses, but actually they don't have the software, because to develop a software is really need their IT fee, IT fee, and some skills, some copyright skills, some indicators. The IT fee is quite high, so the cost also very quite high. So we have a big IT department in China, in Beijing, have few hundred people there to develop this software. Okay, the software every year we need to optimize, and as a member you can upgrade the software for free. Okay, as it says here, right? Upgrade the software for free for the members, and we will also do free installation for you. So no worry, don't know how to use the software, how to install the software. If your computer is broken, then we can reinstall for you, no problem. And have new functions, and also new indicators updated in this homely software. We will also free upgrade for you. But you know that after this upgrade of the software, the fee of course will increase, but actually as a member you no need to pay extra fee. For example, tomorrow for new members, okay, if you join tomorrow you will have 700 price tag, but as a member already, if you have been become member already, tomorrow you no need to add more price, you still can use the software, right? So this is the answer for this, sir. Okay, next part we can take sharing, we can diagnosis your share, no problem. So you can leave me the share diagnosis, no problem. Okay, from Dr. Watiati, 0072. Okay, let me share my screen now. Okay, let us share our screen now. 0072. Okay, 0072 86 86 for medium short term, and the enterprise is 0.6 0.6 around here. I think around here you do medium short term. But okay, this day if you do medium short term, first thing when we diagnosis a share, we can check about the long term of the share first. So from long term we can see it's kind of rebound share, right? Break up the downtrend line recently, like this. So breakout, so that is good. But the point is that in longer term, not much capital to follow up. So medium short term, no problem. But actually the previous high will also give resistance to the price. Okay, and then we see the daily chart. If you do medium short, we can use their rainbow to check the direction first. It's standing above the yellow line, the white line, no problem. Make sure we choose the strong shares standing above the white line, then you are in a safe area, safe direction. Otherwise have a lot of resistance, so it takes time for us to break again and again, right? So for the daily chart, it's kind of a correction, because the banker chips is very less, only 14%. Totally have 63% of the retailers inside. So the green retailer is not good. If have a lot of retailers inside, the shares trend is not so good actually. So you see that's why it corrects a lot, right? It corrects a lot. For medium short term, we can use the hourly chart to track the entry point and exit point. So now we go to the hourly chart. So now we go to hourly chart. Hold on for a while. We switch to Malaysia market. By the way, if you don't remember, we also give you this real time for free. Half year package will give you one month for free, but lifetime package will give you 1 year for free. But it contains more market. Homely Sophie end of day version only have Malaysia market and the global index, but this real time version have Singapore market, Malaysia market, Indonesia, Hong Kong, Thailand, and the forex and the precious gold. You have so many market. Okay, you have so many market. So we can take a look about this your share, doctor's share. So we go to hourly chart. We can use the trend expert. Okay, we can use the trend expert. About this trend expert, I can give you a brief introduction. How to use this one to check. Okay, how to use this one to check. So we can take a look about this slide I show for you. So this is the this is the trend expert. We use this trend expert to track the entry point, exit point. You can see one major line, and there's a lot of bars here, So the major line tells you the direction of the medium long term. Okay, have two colors, green color and the purple color. This is a green color, and then this is a purple color. Okay, purple color. So when the major line is purple color, means that medium long term, the shares of the medium long term of the share is uptrend. Okay, uptrend. But if it's green color, you see, it's downtrend. Okay, it's downtrend. This is for medium term. Tell us the medium long term direction. But for entry and exit point, we go to the bar. Okay, we go to see the bar. Okay, when the bar is green color means that short term downtrend. Red color means what? Means short term uptrend. So your buy point is where? Okay, you see the chart. The buy point is when the bar turns from green to red. Okay, turns from green to red is your buy point. When the bar turns from green to red is your buy point. Okay, here's a buy point, and here also a buy point, right? And the sell point is on the contrary. When the red bar turns to green bar is your sell point. Okay, so this is the direction of the entry point and exit point. You can follow with this one, right? With this trend expert. Okay, trend expert, very important and very accuracy indicator. So we take a look about the hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart of this 0072. So so far this is hourly chart. You see the bar is green color, so means there is no good buy point, right? Actually, it's kind of red bar turns to green bar. So actually, here tells you to sell. Okay, last Friday, no good buy point. Here, when the green bar turns to red bar, this is a buy point. So we buy here and then we sell there. Very small profit because this is not strong share. You see, negative 5%. You lose a little bit because basically this is not very strong share. We just take a look about the daily chart. Very small banker tips, right? So from doctor, so middle short term, be careful. Okay, be careful. So far also no buy point. I don't know if you have it or you have it already. So be careful about this one. Okay, be careful about this one. And from Fei Mao 5156. Okay, 5156 西德朗. So okay, please put the right form. Right, what is the right form of dialysis to share? So just put, okay, let me share again. So remember to put the share code number and plus your entry price and your trading period. Trading period means you do short term or middle long term or just long term, right? And then WhatsApp to 011-165-27962. Okay, put your share code number, entry price, and your investment periods to 011-165-27962. Okay, so that can dialysis to share in more details. And during the live, you can also send put in the below the comments, no problem. And then we take a look about your share. So let's take a long term first. Okay, let's take a long term first. From maybe monthly chart. Okay, this is monthly chart. You see this one. Monthly chart is actually downtrend. Okay, it's downtrend. And Before it's also downtrend one, but for mid till long term it's kind of a higher low already, but it's not uptrend. Okay, it's not uptrend. So now it's only rebound. Then we go to daily chart. Daily chart we use the rainbow. You see it's below the white lines. Okay, white line is the boundary of the bull and the bear shape. So so you see it's still bearish one, still bearish with around 46% of their bankers. Okay, so it's very small, very short-term chance. Okay, and it's kind of aggressive one, more safe for you to trade when the price break out the white lines. Okay, break out the white lines. So this is a share, the direction is not so good, so be careful about this one. Okay, and the next one, okay, from hold on. Yeah, you can leave your comments. Leave your comments below the video, no problem. We have Charlie. Okay, 7070. Okay, 7000 is a technology share, right? Technology share. 43 cents. Okay, 43 cents. Short to medium term. So this is the share. We take a look about the long term. Okay, long term is also rebound chance. Rebound chance, quarterly chart, the rebound resistance price, we choose half price of this negative candle. So it's 53 cents. Okay, 53 cents is your closest resistance. Okay, 53 cents. And the rebound chance middle short-term strategy, no problem. Then go to daily chart. Daily chart is it haven't break up the white line. Okay. Sorry. So you see, it still have a small space before it reaches to white lines. So when I put my mouse here, the price is around 5.6. Okay, 5.6. So two resistance. The first is 5.3 cents. Second one is 5.6 cents. So far, have bankers around 69%. You just bomb up last Friday, right? Last Friday. So far for short term, still have some space. No problem. You still can hold it, or you need to sell. We take a look about the hourly chart. So this is the hourly chart. So you can see here actually have a sell point in hourly chart. Okay, so the recent buy point is here. Okay, recent buy point is 27, and until here is a sell point. 9 days you have 9 hours you have 16%. You have 16%. Okay, but if you sold already, later on when it turn to red, you can buy it back, no problem. Okay, no problem, because still have a lot of bankers inside in this hourly chart. Okay, in this hourly chart, medium short term. Okay, so just be careful about these white lines. Okay, if it can break out these white lines, you have a bigger chance. You have a bigger chance, no problem. Okay, Aristotle, 737215. Okay, 7315. AHB, it's very strong share. 34 is your entry price, and you do short term, so we just can check in the daily channel problem to analyze. If you do short term, you can only analyze in the daily channel problem. Standing above this white line, and the bankers is quite high. So far still have 64%, but have some divergence between the price and the funds. You can see, yeah, the funds is decreasing, the bankers decreasing. It's kind of correction soon, so you see it's slowly increase slowly, so momentum is not so strong. And then we take a look about the hourly chart. So hourly chart is like this. The trend expert bar is still red color, so means that you still can hold it, right? Still can hold it. But later on, if it turns green without hitting previous high, of course, better just take a profit, because you do short term, right? Short term means the momentum is not so enough, because in the daily chart already have this divergence. Okay, be careful about that one. Okay, we check about my WhatsApp. Some of the investor also sent. Okay, also sent. Hold on. get lifetime data. Oh, from Karen. I don't know if you're in the live or not. You asked me half-year subscriber don't get the live data. Okay, half-year package. Okay, I will introduce you a little bit about half-year package. Half-year package. We have for lifetime pack, real time, but that one is for mobile version 1 year. Okay, mobile version 1 year. Okay, we take a look here. So, Karen, if you subscribe the 6 months, you will have their homely software end of day version 6 months. Okay, this version after 6 months, you can renew yearly and yearly. You can also choose to upgrade to lifetime package. And you have a real-time version is the mobile version 1 month for free. Okay, you don't have PC real-time, you only have the mobile version 1 month for free. If you want the PC real-time, or in the lifetime package have, here is the PC kit. PC kit is the PC real-time version. You can also use 1 year for free. At the same time, mobile version also 1 year for free. This is as a promotion, give you for free. But if you join the lifetime package, you have the homely software for lifetime purpose, lifetime usage. Okay, lifetime usage. So you no need to pay any extra fee for this homely software end of the version. So this is a for Malaysia market. But if you want more market, US market is different price. Okay. So this is for Karen's. Okay, Karen's question. And then we have another one going on. Do we have a live video? Yes, have live video. And okay, hold on, let me check for you. Okay, from John. John asked, okay, whether this 01 0170. So John asked whether can buy or not. Whether can buy or not. So it is Kang. Okay, we take a look about the long term first. But you don't tell me you. I guess you do short term. So the whole chart is quite strong recently. Quite strong, right? Quite strong. Still have some space. So for short term, sure, no big problem. So far, the bankers is around 54%. So still in uptrend, but just in correction. So during this correction, you can see this retailer. Retailers still have around 21%, right? So it's still in correction because very fast share. Okay, so if in short term, whether have a buy point or not, we can take a look about the hourly chart. Hourly chart is about to break up the major line, so it's quite potential in short term. But the point is that the banker chips haven't followed up. Okay, haven't followed up. So you see, we can just wait for 1 year. For next, if you haven't buy up because you haven't bought this share. So tomorrow, if it can stand it above the major line, also we double confirm with this. Oh, sorry, the banker chips then you have a chance. Okay, you have a chance because the long term is okay. The long term trend is okay. For short term, we need to find the right rhythm. So here is the entry point. Okay, if tomorrow it can standing above this major line, okay, safely, then you have your chance. You will have your chance. Okay, from John. Okay, let's take a look about others. Okay, from Facebook, we also have some viewers, so you can just put your share there. Okay, you can put your share there and we can diagnose for you, no problem. And then hold on. Yeah, so far you don't have much more shares. Okay, you don't have much more shares. Okay, no problem. From Nick, Nick is installed the software. Run anyway. Okay, run anyway. Okay, from Mubin, price reduced. No, price not reduced. Price will up. Okay, we're up 700 ringgit soon. Tomorrow, from tomorrow. So you remember already, no worry. From Pearly, Pearly asked me about their their videos. I want to review because you're a new member, no problem. I can share you a little bit. So actually, after join member, you have so many courses you can attend. We have Mandarin class and English class here. Have so many classes for member is for lifetime. Okay, for member is for lifetime. So if you missed some of the class, you can ask us to review with the link, but you can only get the link from our customer service line. Okay, so as you said, there are few, but their master's class have no recorded version. Okay, so only regular class have recorded. So you can also ask to do the reviewer, no problem. And we have another one. Sorry. Okay, let's wait for wire.
Hi everyone. So let's us now to check how the market BNB market last Friday graph they look like. And you also can share this video to your friend and let us to learn together. Yes, for the Aziteco, you can 0165 WB SOX. You need to consider carefully because the purple line now is changed to downtrend, and we see that P3 is only contain 46%, and the retailer is increased until the 33% that when on the Tuesday it just got 80%. So that this from the software you can know that this is not suggested to buy. You can consider it. Then now we go to see the pharma. Everybody is very concerned about this vesting stock, how vesting counter goes in. Now the vesting counter is turned, just show the buying point, but it's very careful. We need some time to see if this is the correct buying point they show, because we can see that the P3 is always decreased from the 24 August of the 24 August chart. It's still is 60-minute chart, and from the day chart we can know that from the day chart is still stronger, but at the top of our trend expert it shows a little sell point. So for this need to be consider very carefully, because we don't know that how the vaccine ban is come out. But if the vaccine is come out, sure that this stock, the vaccine stock will be price increased. Besides, we see his friend D Pharma. D Pharma, we can know that from the day chart is still in the uptrend, but the banker do not support on it, because the banker is just now is 64%, but this have a one golden close. But you need to be careful that this trend expert show that the momentum is decreased compared to the before day. So for anyone who want to know the package, please contact 01116527962, because tomorrow we will increase our price 700. So if you subscribe today, you can save your 700 to do more invest. And now we also can see that the consortium that already increased at the top 10 gainer. For the consortium, you can see the retailer is maintained compared to the Thursday. So and for the banker it's just 22%. It's quite less. It's not the banker highly controlled share. So from the software, we can know that for the one we are not suggested to chase the high price in this stock. You can buy the stock that are more potential and safe to protect our money. And for the Genting, right, this Genting Malaysia. Genting Malaysia. I hear that somebody want to know it. Genting Malaysia now is 7.6% of the banker only, and a lot of hot money. So we cannot enter this stock for now from the software tell us. Although their short term got show some buy point, but to confirm and save, we want to do for the middle long term, we need to wait until this trend, this green trend line change to purple trend line, and each change to the upward means that this stock will be in the bull market. For now, still cannot enter because the retailer who is locked in this stock is still high. They are around 30.9%. So besides any stock can ask, you can comment and share this video to your friend. This software still have very more function to discover, not just these two indicators. We just show these two common indicators for this software. There are still many functions to explore. So now we see the icon. For Dia Wallet, you can see that this stock now is still in the got short-term buy point. From the software, we can know that the trend expert have the turn rate, the bar, this short-term signal. And we have a lot of hot money in this stock, but for the banker, it's just 21% of it, and the local is around 9%. So maybe you can enter first, but with a little money. Not if can increase. If this stock is increased, then you can the banker is increased in this stock. So at that time, you can consider to buy in more. Please manage your risk when we are in the trading. So I now 7081 Pharma Niaga. I just now already analysis this. Buying stock. For this stock, now it's showing the short-term sell point, but if you is a middle and long-term investor, you can still hold it because this stock is still has 73% of the banker, and there are still no retailer that are local appear. But we need to always observe how the banker moving. So if you have the software, You can check it every day and every minute because the stock market is always changes. And this is just for the day chart. And if it's you the period of 16 minutes, you can see there are another term that we can clearly see that this banker is in the decrease. And now it's already 38%. For the 60-minute chart, we don't need to consider how many percent of it, but we can see it just a decrease. Yeah, the banker may be just a little bit cash out from this stock, so you need to be careful for the short term. This system accuracy is high, around 87.4%. So from this system, we can earn more and lose very little if you know how to operate rightly and listen the software buy and sell signal. And again, tomorrow your price out around 700 ringgit. So if who is interested and want to know more detail, please contact us as soon as possible. So if that still have another stock to analysis,
Okay, so we guess that still have for many other friends enjoying the happy hour outside. And for this time, during this time, we are almost finished. But we have been intent to open another live in tonight. Tonight is the happy hour for all of for investors to prepare before tomorrow's market open. Okay, so I guess so we prepare to ready to open another live tonight. So we'll send you a message. Okay, we'll send you a message, and here's the way. You can contact us. Okay, here is the way you can contact us. Here's the WhatsApp number. If you have any shares you want to dialysis, you can WhatsApp me after the live. And also, if you have any question about the Homely Software membership subscription, you can also contact us. This is the purchase line. So 011-1652-7962. Any questions, we will solve for you via this WhatsApp. Okay, so far that's all for this session, and see you tonight. Okay, see you tonight, and thanks for your watching. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye everyone, enjoy the holiday.